In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a background video in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner just getting started with Webflow, understanding how to incorporate dynamic elements like background videos can truly elevate your projects. Let's dive right into the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow website. Once there, head over to their login page and sign into your account. If you're new to Webflow, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. After successfully logging in, you'll come to the main dashboard. This is essentially the command center where you can manage all of your projects. From the dashboard, select the project where you want to add a background video. Clicking into a project will take you to the design interface, where you have a plethora of tools and options to bring your vision to life. On the design interface, look for the Add Elements button, usually located on the left side of the screen. This button gives you access to all the elements you can add to your page, such as text, images, and more sophisticated ones like videos. With the Elements panel open, use the search bar to find videos. Typing video should narrow down your options to the specific tools you need. Click on Video to begin. Now, you're looking to create not just any video, but specifically a background video that enhances the mood and feel of your website. After selecting Video, you'll find an option labeled Background Video. Go ahead and click on this. Webflow's interface is intuitive, and once you select the background video option, it will prompt you to upload a video file from your computer. Make sure your video is in a web-friendly format and is optimized for web use to avoid slow loading times. Once your video is uploaded, you can customize it further. Webflow provides settings for you to adjust how your video plays, such as looping and autoplay, which are quite useful for maintaining a seamless design. Playing around with these settings can help you pinpoint exactly how you want the video to interact with the rest of your site. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up a background video in Webflow. Background videos are a fantastic way to convey a strong visual message and grab the attention of your site visitors. Experiment with different videos and settings to discover the perfect fit for your web page. If you need to adjust or refine your design later, simply return to your Webflow project and you can tweak it as necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Good luck with your design projects, and happy Webflowing!